Jocelyn Porter is a first grader. This is her first recital. And she is going to play, and I told her I have to read it because I always get it in the wrong order. Incy Wincy Teensy Twig. Jocelyn looks pretty in her long dress, and Jocelyn likes to wear dresses. She comes most of the time to her lessons with dresses on. And I didn't say she goes, her mommy teaches at Harrisonville, and so Jocelyn goes to school at Harrisonville too. I might give a little plug for Rich. Where's Rich? Somewhere. He's up there. He's moving too. He is the new math in high school, junior high.
High school.
High school in Butler. I think he took over at midterm, if I'm not mistaken, right? And he used to teach at Felton, right?
Yes.
Okay. Jocelyn Porter is coming back, and she's going to play one of her favorite hymns, Jesus Loves Me. Wait just a minute, Jocelyn, until I get up there, okay? That is a first grader, folks, playing and singing. And here comes Wendy, who is a mother to this first grader. Wendy took lessons for a while. I think it was before the baby was born. He was now the first grader, but she wanted to play with her daughter. So let me get down and go ahead. They're going to play Coming Round the Mountain. Shelby's coming back and playing at the skating rink.